Hello Jiwaku. In this video, we will talk about one of the essential parts of the geothermal well drilling. What we are going to talk about is an important thing for the well success and safety of the geothermal drilling. In this video, we will talk about the geothermal well casing. The casing is a large diameter pipe lowered into open hole and cemented in place. It serves numerous purposes during the drilling, like counter losses of drilling fluid circulation, prevent a loose formation material from collapsing and blocking the hole, prevent contamination of near freshwater zones, provide a suitable connection for the wellhead equipment and the hole, and provide a conduit for the well production. The typical casing used in a geothermal drilling is the first one, conductor casing. This casing function is to seal off the unconsolidated formation at the shallow depth to prevent the cave-ins. Second, surface casing is used to seal off any freshwater zone and is generally set up approximately 50 to 200 meters below ground level. Third, anchor and intermediate casing is used to support successive wellheads to contain drilling and formation fluid of relatively high temperature and pressure, and become the additional security against drilling problems including blowouts. Fourth, production casing is used to isolate the production zones, to provide reservoir fluid control, and permit selective production in a multi-zone production. And the last one is slotted liner. Both the liner and the production casing act as the production strings. In drilling for oil and gas wells, the production casing is perforated opposite the pay zone for productions. In comparison, geothermal wells are completed with the open holes run with the slotted or perforated liners from the production casing chute to the total depth. In the geothermal drilling, total depth, well target, low circulation, and the lithology, where the casing chute should practicable to set in the impermeable zone, should be prepared by the subsurface team. This information is reported in the well prognosis to anticipate by drilling engineers. The production casing depth has the biggest challenge in the exploration drilling since it relies on a lot of presumptions. The production casing should be set up at the top of a reservoir to prevent a drilling problem. The production casing will have a problem if the well is drilled too shallow or too deep. Based on the geothermal experiences, if the well is drilled too shallow, there are a cold water flow into the well. This cold flow will cool the deeper reservoir and reduce the well output. At the worst case, the cold flow could cause scaling within the well or formation, degradation of reservoir temperature, prevent the well from discharging, and impact the lifetime of the well. On the other hand, if the well is drilled too deep, the permeable reservoir could be encountered first. At worst, the section will be cast off and cemented, and perhaps there will be no more a good permeability target deeper in the well. In conclusion, understanding of the subsurface to determine the production casing depth is crucial. The production casing should be set up at the top of reservoir to prevent a drilling problem. However, the subsurface is uncertain. One of the tools to reduce the uncertainties is a GeoTOR. This tool is aimed as a media for the subsurface team and related expertise to collaboratively estimate the TOR depth uncertainties of the well in the exploration phase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch another video about the geothermal that will educate you in the Jiwa channel. See you in the next video.